Hi everyone, I'm Akhila. In this video, let us develop a Power BI report for the store data. Let me load the Excel sheet, which I have downloaded, Store SuperStore US 2015 from online. Okay, there are three data sheets. Let me load all and click Transform Data. Yeah, the data has been loaded. Let me check few things whether the column headers. See, this region and manager are column names, right? It has not updated correctly. So let me select use first row as headers and check whether there is any unnecessary columns, errors or something. Yeah. See, there are the columns, order 26, null values, conserve. Okay. So these two columns, we can ignore them. So as part of data cleaning, I have loaded the data into transform mode and just cleaning up the data. Remove the columns. Yeah, close and apply. Let me click the model view and see whether these tables has any relation established. Okay. From users and orders, there is a region. Fine. From returns, there is an order ID, right? It has not detected any relationship by default. Let me connect. Fine. Now go back to your report view. Let me show you the data before we progress with our reporting. In orders, we have few columns like order priority, discount, its unit price, customer name, customer segment, product category, subcategory, container of the product, product name, their margin, country. Obviously, it is only for United States, right? US sales, so it will have only one country. So region, state. So for each region, the different states has been divided. So there will be hope 4 regions here. So under 4 regions, we'll have states data, city, order date, ship date, profit, quantity ordered, number of orders, sales, and order ID. Fine. Let us have a quick look of users. It got region and their manager, returns, which order has been returned. Okay. Now, ideally, by looking into this store order data table, we can say that people might be interested to know what is the most demanded product or subcategory, what is the sales based on their region, because each region got different manager, right? So the manager might be interested to know their sales with respect to their region and their region, states, and cities, right? And what else? They might be interested to know which product is making more profit, most demanded products based on the subcategory or product names, and the total number of orders placed during the month, the trend of the profit and trend of the sales as per the month, as per the city. So, okay, we got some idea like how we can visualize this data because we didn't get any requirements from anyone, right? So let us try to understand the data from our end and try to represent whatever we can. Okay, now let us select a waterfall model. Why we are going to waterfall model? Waterfall model will give lot of insights based on positive and negative trends with respect to any category. Like in this scenario, based on the city or a product name or a region, we can see what is the trend. So let us use this trend for sales amount. Okay, let us see how it will be total sales based on the region. If I put this data in, you'll understand more. See, this waterfall model is giving the sales as per each factor. Here the factor is region and summing up with the total value. So let me enable the data labels. so that it will be easy for us. See, it's in default millions. Okay, fine. So it is making up 0.59 million plus. Okay, let me make it into thousands so that it will be more meaningful. Values, data units, thousands. Okay, see all this summing up into 1924.34 here, which is total. So all these factors will sum up and it shows the increase, right? Okay, there is no fall as of now. Fine. Let us format this. Properties, title, sales by region, total sales by region, in between, just moving the header. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Anyway, I know this is the sale amount. Let me hide the titles of x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So there is no decrease. That's why we are not seeing any red color. But if there is any decrease in the sales, it will show you that in a red line. Oh, fine. Now, let me add another visual. Why we are not having any date filter? Because it's only 2015 year data. We'll have a line trend with month. Order month, the total sales. See, there is a fall in March and a big hike in during April. Okay. Sales as per monthly sales. Okay. Let me rename this total sales so that whenever we point out the cursor, it will say like total sales is this. Let us update the data labels. Let it fit on. By default, it's K. Yeah. Let us go back. Hide the titles. Anyway, I know this is total sales during the month because I can see January, February, everything off. Okay. Okay, why the trend has been stopped after June? So let me add in a table. Okay, there is a data. Let me add sales to this. Okay, the sales data is only till June. That's why it is showing only till June. I'm just verifying it. Fine. Thank you. Okay, let me update this title as well. General title, total sales by month. Let me line into the middle. Fine. Okay. Let me give a border. General effects. We have visual border. Okay, I'm giving some red color. Fine. Even for this, let me go to general effects, visual border on, select the same color. Okay, this is total sales by region, total sales by month. If I select this east, obviously it is updating for the east. If I select for the west region, it's updating for the west region. Fine. Now, by looking this, we can decide where there is a easily readable thing, right? During February and April, there is a big trend in the market and all regions are in a positive making sales. Okay, now let us figure out with a pie chart. The top 5 product subcategories who had made profit. Okay, only top 5 products with demanded sales. Okay, it is giving me all the sales. How can I restrict and list out only top 5? After selecting this visual, go for the filters on this particular visual select the filter type to top N and give you want 5. So I want only top 5 subcategories, right? Which are making sales for me. So apply filter. I'm dragging a column here based on the sum of sales. Please decide top 5 product categories. So these are the top 5 product subcategories which got demand. Okay, let me go to the title, general, and give that respective naming. Top 5 product subcategories. Category. Okay. Let me put alignment to middle. Fine. Let me enable the border for this. Visual border on. Select the same color. Okay. Now, what else we might be interested in? Uh, Based on this, can we make some business decisions? Definitely, right? They'll make sure like they get more stock and make store like they'll have more stock of these product categories. Okay. Now, what else we can do? We can see what is the trend for order quantity, right? So we can have a bar chart, okay, clustered, yeah, a cluster chart with order quantity based on the product name. I want to know what is the like highest orders with respect to product name. Same thing, selecting the visual, selecting the filter type to top N, give top 10 product names based on the order quantity. Apply filters. So these are the products with maximum order placements. Okay, let me go to general settings. Let me consider the space issue. I mean, like, I just want to utilize the maximum space. Okay, let us give them the proper name because we applied some filters, right? So let the user know that they are seeing only top 10 products with order quantity. Okay. Okay. Now let me enable the visual border. Fine. Now let me use some cards to display the total profit. The total sale amount, the total orders placed, right? This is the order quantity, right? We need to know even the total number of orders placed. So order ID count, not the distinct count. So it will give me the total number of orders. Okay. Okay. Let me update this name, field name. So it is giving me the title will come on top. This is a category field, means it will show the field name, whatever we are updating here. So I'm not enabling the category name on. I'm just updating the category name through the fields. Order, quantity, and this is number of orders. Number of orders. Number of orders or total orders. Okay, so let me use some shapes to partition this. Under insert shapes, let me insert some lines. Yeah. Let me give some shape a line. Properties, effects. It's a background color. So how will I update this style? Let me give the same color. Transparency. No. Fill. Border. No, I don't want any border color. Okay, it is giving a border color. Okay, red. Fine. Let me copy and paste it again so that I use it here. Copy, paste it. Use it as a partition for this. Okay, control yes. Store sales report, save it. Fine. Now let me open the next page and do some visualization here as well. So what else we can do? We can add a table where people might be interested to see general, city-wise, state-wise order data, right? State and province, or each state have cities, right? So first I'm having city. City or province. So city, state, the product name, the order date, the order quantity, the sale amount. Okay. Order date. So let me minimize this. Minimize, display a table like this. Or okay, I can just have a table. Okay, let us have this. Fine. Okay, when it is giving even the totals and all. So let me increase the font size and value size. 14. Yeah. So I just want to spread this table till this corner. Yeah, I expanded. Let me increase the header size. Go back to format visual. Quantity. Total sales or sales amount. Sale amount. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, what else we might be interested in? This is giving our total data in detail data, right? Okay. So, what I'll do is, I will add another page. Critical order details. Okay, we can add a table name. Instead of a table name, I can add a text box here stating that this is store sales data. Let me use the font, some 18, some color, bold, store sales data. Okay, center 20. Fine. And effects, background color, light, and let me update this to some black. Okay, this is my store data in Excel format, I mean table format. Okay, let me rename this page name. Store report. Order details, order data, or product details. What can we name it? Store sales data. Sales details. Detailed sales data. Detailed sales data. This is store report. Okay. If they want to see everything when we publish this report, they'll see in the Excel sheet. I mean, this table view. And the store report will have some meaningful information to make some decisions. Okay. Hope this is useful. Thank you.